never see them too long on the ground. You wanna be one of them. Yeah, you wanna be one of them. Yeah. Well now, hey, Mr. Ranger, Mr. Ranger, tell me where you're going, tell us where you're headed.
It's who I am, Dad.
Oh, many things, Hiccup. But a dragon killer is not one of them.
Dad, no. For once in your life, would you please just listen to me?
You throwing your lot in with them. You're not a Viking. You're not my son.
Where'd you get your looks from? Your stunning face. I mean,
Thank you. I look just like my mommy.